Is this recording? Yeah, it's recording. Alright guys, so here we have this figure. I'm going to show you how to draw this in isometric and oblique. So if you could please just pause what you're doing and pay attention to the screen. Everybody with me? Alright, so the best thing to do with a shape that has curves is to just block out stuff first. So this whole part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 long by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall. So let's make construction like a construction line box so that we can fill in. So with the ruler, what did I say that was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 8. So I'll start with a horizontal line. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna draw my construction lines in blue so you can see them. Okay, so whatever I'm drawing right now is construction lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're making a 5 by 8 rectangle. And it is 4 wide. So if you look at the drawing here, 1, 2, 3, 4 wide. So then we go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 here. So it's like we're drawing a glass box that we're going to draw our part in to help guide us. So once we have this, so it's 5 by 8 and 4 deep. This box is going to really help guide the rest of the drawing. So going back to pencil now. And this top curve right here, we are going to mark the, so go 1 and 2, just put a tick there. And we have this corner here, so that's that tick. I just drew that tick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here's another tick. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like that. And then with your pencil, really lightly start drawing arcs. Stand down. Just like you see there. Once you're happy with your arc, you can lightly erase your construction line so you'll still see it, and then make a nice object line. Okay. Just like that. From this point right here back, let's count, because right here in the drawing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we get to this line, which is 2 wide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Let's use our ruler, make a nice straight line. And then use construction lines to draw that part right here. So really light lines, because we're going to end up curving right here. So we have this going all the way back and then down. So this is down, going down. And then here is where we add a curve. And then match up, draw a parallel line from the curve end over, and then give it a little curve right here. Let me darken those up so you can see it. I'm going to draw that next. You'll see.
Huh?
You'll see me draw this part next. Okay. Let's draw this circle here. So, mark it off using construction lines. If you like adding the tick marks, that's a good technique. Add your arcs.
Wait, did you do 4 up?
This is 5 up.
5?
Yeah.
Oh, I did 6.
It's 4 back.
I'm done. Yeah? You did that. Oh, God. Wait, let me see. You did that, all of that. Let me see. Not paper stuff. No, I'm serious. Where's I think you're yeah, I can do that. Oh, damn. That would have some focus.
If we look at this drawing right here, from this point to this point, it's 2 down. So we can kind of cheat a little bit, and then that's 3 wide. So 1, 2. And then right here, these are 2 long, like 2 units straight before it starts to curve. So you can draw 2 straight lines, 2 units long, right here and here. And then for this bottom line, draw from here to here. This is going to get a curve.
Whoa!
And then a line. Switching back to pencil, so in case I mess up. I'm going to draw this line and this line, but I'm going to do 1 straight vertical line to set up a construction line. Nice, good job. And then I'm going to draw this bottom curve. and then this curve.
Why would...
And then you have a hole. Set it up.
Bro. It's me. Oh, yo, stop it. He said...
And then darken your lines.
Oh, that's hot. Don't get close to my ear. Whoa! Right off.
Ta-da! Oh, and then we have this line right here.
I need the isometric too. That paper right there.
So to draw an oblique, we start by making the box. So this is 5 by 8, so we're making a 5 by 8 rectangle. And we're making a cavalier oblique, so that means it's going to be full depth. So over 4, up 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And connect your dots. Cavalier looks funny because it's full depth and it's a 45-degree angle, so that's why it looks kind of weird. This is our front surface. So this line right here is 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is 3 wide from the center. So draw a line right here. Draw some construction lines. These construction lines are going to help you out.
Look at your thing for like 5.
Is somebody get the door, please?
Hey Joe.
Draw this line right here, so that's 1, 2, 3 over, and make it a 45. So you're connecting the corners of the squares. You're connecting the corners of the squares. That's a construction line. Erase this line and this line, make horizontal lines here and here, and this is a vertical line. If these corners, if this part was just straight, we'd be almost done. But since they're curved, we'll just have to add those curves. So let's finish the front. All right, I'll give you a minute to catch up to here. I'm just going to darken the ones that I know for sure are going to be straight. So I made all these black lines are the straight lines. The rest will most likely be curvy lines.
Mister, my grade should go up. Is that a 47 range? Should be at least a C.
I forgot the left side here. This line is 3 units long and it's straight vertical. Right here. So all of this stuff is setting up for the curves. Oh, and right here there's a straight line. I'll do this back one later. Alright, so the front piece. We have from here to here, this is going to be a curved line. An arc. And here, an arc. From here to this point, I take it an arc. From here to this tick, an arc. From here to here, an arc. From here to here, from this tick. From the corner over here, put a little tick. We're going to arc that as best as we can. This is going to get a straight line right here. And that's going to arc some more. This is a straight line. I'm going to arc here. Yeah? Go ahead. This is an arc. This is a straight line. This is a straight line with an arc. And then here's a straight line. This is a really funny looking oblique, but that's what it is. And then
And you say we have to use pens, so what are you doing?
I'm using the pen so you can see it on screen.
You're not using a good example.
This hole is, let's see, it's 2 over, so 1, 2, so right here, it starts here. It's going to look like a really funny oval. Alright, there it is. That's what your oblique might look like, hopefully, if you follow the steps. Questions?
What's the measurements for the box that you do?
This box?
Yeah.
5 by 8, and you're going over 4, up 4 to get the right angle.